Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this one, I'll be looking at Posca Mop'r markers and showing you some different techniques that you can use these with. Maybe you've thought about buying them, you're not quite sure whether they're worth it. Well, hopefully this video will help you out and decide whether you're going to spend your hard-earned cash on some of these cool markers. These are some of the techniques that have worked for me. You might have some other techniques that you would like to share. Comment below and I'll see if I can do a video on one of those, or let me know which technique out of these that you've enjoyed the most. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye, see ya.